back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the customer service field. However, it is paying very well. So the pay might be a deciding factor for some of you, whether you like to talk on the phone or whether it is not worth it to be stuck on the phone all day. So I thought I would share. I'm just trying to mix things up a little bit and not share completely like all healthcare or all data entry. Trying to make sure there's a little bit of something for everyone. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the well-known company Dropbox. Now, a lot of people may use iCloud for their file storage now, or Amazon has a cloud storage system, so does Google Drive, but back in the day, the only option was Dropbox, so I assume most people are familiar with it. They are hiring a product support representative. This is for select states only. Those are Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Massachusetts, Maryland, North Carolina, Oregon, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, California, San Diego, California, and Irvine, California. I'm not sure if they can only hire in select places in California and not the entire state. California, where it comes to work from home, is a little bit iffy. But of course, if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But they are basically looking for somebody to do customer service. They're looking for somebody to do technical support for their Dropbox products-based issues through phone, email, and chat. You'll achieve expert working knowledge of their products. You're going to meet their KPI targets and complete tasks in a timely and effective manner. You'll provide customized recommendations and solutions to the customers on their complex issues in user-friendly ways, making sure that you have frictionless engagement with the product and maintaining high customer satisfaction scores. Of course, you'll document any recurring issues that are reported to you to the support product quality teams and escalate those up. Now, again, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They just want somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of a technical support, customer-facing role, someone who has experience with troubleshooting desktop operation systems like Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. If you do your own tech support when your computer breaks, you probably have this knowledge. I know I do a lot of Googling and fixing of my own computers. Someone who has great communication skills, someone who loves asking those open-ended questions, someone who can be a team player, and of course you have to have good judgment and the ability to maintain confidentiality. Now, as far as pay goes, they are paying very well for this position. Pay is, of course, dependent on location and experience. They do have their pay ranges broke down by location, with the lowest pay being $62,600 a year, and the highest pay being $95,200 a year. If you get a job offer, make sure you are negotiating that salary. Of course, they also offer standard benefit package that includes health benefits, paid time off, all of those things. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.